Our Power, Our Planet 2026. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I stand before you to speak about a theme that is not just important but urgent. Our power, our planet. Our earth is not just a place we live in, it is our home, our life, our future, the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat. Everything comes from this beautiful planet. But today, our earth is in danger. Pollution is increasing, forests are disappearing, animals are losing their homes, and climate change is affecting our lives more than ever. But here comes the most important question: who will save our planet? The answer is simple: we will, because we have the power. Yes, our power is not in big machine or technology alone. Our real power lies in our small daily action. Switching off light when not needed, saving water, planting trees, reducing plastic use, spreading awareness. This small step can create a big change. We must understand that Earth does not need us. We need Earth. If we protect nature today, nature will protect us tomorrow. Let us promise ourselves that we will not harm our planet. Let us become responsible citizens. Let us use our power wisely because the future of our planet is not in someone else's hands. It is in our hands. Together, let us save our power, our planet. Thank you.